Deuce Khan again, doing another track for my Hmong peoples. Got too much pride, got too much love. Holla at your boy. The Hmong movement has begun. Let's ask the general to supply us with guns. Let's go back and rescue all Hmong fathers and sons, all daughters and mothers. We share the same blood, we're sisters and brothers. We made it this far, we can't turn back. It's time to get on the front line and bust back. Attack with no fear. A research shows that when it comes down to warfare, Hmong soldiers appear out of nowhere, cut the enemy's throat, then disappear into the thin air. So be prepared, beware. Just look around you, can't you tell there's still a lot of Hmongs out there? We gotta stop talking and take action. I'll provide the Hmong pride and the Hmong passion. This is what we are and who we be. H-M-O-N-G, H-M-O-N-G. The H is silent, pronounce it with me. Hmong, 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 Hmong. H-M-O-N-G. M-O-B. The H is not silent, say it with me. Moan, moan.